how to turn off camera before joining Google Meet. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, today I'm going to show you how you can turn off your camera before joining the Google Meet. So, let's dive right in. You need to head over to your Google Chrome and first find the link that you're about to join, and then you'll need to just tap on the link, open it up, and then you can see the camera option. Just tap on it to turn it off, and then you can also turn off the microphone if you want to, and then tap on ask to join. And then that's it. Now your camera will not be turned on when you join the Google Meet. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.